Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here again, and on today's video I'm gonna show you the fuse box location on the Toyota Highlander, and this is a XLE all-wheel drive, and this one comes with 3 fuse box location. But if yours come with more than 3, let me know on the comment section. But this one particular one, 2018, the very early models of 2018, comes with 3 fuse box location. I'm gonna start with the popping the hood. Now if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for your support, for those who have already subscribed. Now inside the engine compartment, it's a V6 engine like there. On the driver side, next to the battery, you find this first box right here. You pop this button right here, and there we go. This is the first fuse pan right there. Got the fuse, all the fuses, not all of them, because I'm going to show you another fuse panel inside the engine compartment. On the back of the cover, you find the fuse information, the amperage and their functions. There is also some fuses that are spare. Okay, and you also find there is some spare fuses right there, and a tool to remove a fuse. Okay, now we're gonna put this back in place. Is easy as that. Now that is the first one. There is also a second fuse box inside the engine compartment. So far, if this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up. The next one is going to be all the way on the opposite side. Like here you find this box, and on top it says relays and fuse. Place this tab right here and lift the cover, and you find that there is 2 fuses right there and about 4 relays. And again, on the back of the cover, you find the diagram information for the fuses and those relays. Okay, again, to put it back in place, you're going to hook up on the back right that, place it and lock in place. Now those are the fuses and relays that all you're gonna get inside the engine compartment. Now there is one more fuse box location inside the cab. Let's close the hood. Come through the driver's side. Once you come inside here, it's going to be way down here on the driver's side, next to the push foot brake. And then we're gonna look up right there. See this cover right here. We're going to pop it out, and once you pop it out, you're going to see the next fuse set right there. There's 2 rows of fuses, and on the back of the cover you'll find the fuse diagram, the functions and the amperage. Alright, now to put the cover back in place. Just hook up the tabs the right way. Place it and a click to lock in place. Those are the 3 fuse box location on a Toyota Highlander, and this particular one is 2018. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, stay tuned. I will see you guys on the next video.